Hello YouTube, this is one mixed up old school gamer retro dude, formerly known as Gizmondo 3467 Gamer Guy, and today I'm going to be doing colors walkthrough for the Gizmondo. We'll be starting from scratch. The past couple times I tried to do a walkthrough, I haven't had much success because I wound up getting killed by the train when I first started the game, or I haven't had my gizmondo with me, but I'm back in full force. So here it goes, and I'm gonna be doing commentary too. So, and as you can see, here's colors. I'm gonna go ahead and start it. Volume down a little bit. Okay, there it goes. You want to pick the best guy possible, so I'm gonna pick this guy, because this guy has a lot of the best attributes. As you can see, he has nice stamina and reasonable health. So, here you go. And I'm gonna upload the intro for you too. I'm trying to figure out the best comfort position for me, because I'm sitting in a real uncomfortable position. I want to adjust the volume as soon as I start up the game. It's nice. This game is pretty equal to GTA San Andreas in a way, but there's not a lot of missions. There's not a lot of storyline. It just pretty follows the straight. Hold on. Yeah. We already went to this old man. Hold on a second. I'm gonna adjust the volume a little bit. There we go. That's a little bit better, right? Now I want to go to the main menu. Oh man, that was close. I ain't gonna read what he says because it really doesn't matter. Well, you can read what he says, but I'm not gonna read it. He gets like, "Yo, pops, what you trying to sell?" That's pretty funny. It's pretty funny right there, man. Yeah, pretty funny. What you trying to say, pops? Say, man, what the heck? Okay, okay. Give me a police radio. Use the D-pad to move. Press the left shoulder button to toggle between walk and run. Tap the left shoulder button to toggle between stand and crouch. hold the right shoulder button to strafe. And I'm gonna hit the stop button to continue. Jump by pressing the fast forward button. Leap by pressing the fast forward button while running. When the game indicates you can climb, you do so by pressing the play button. And again, guys, I'm gonna be doing all the missions for colors for the Gizmondo. It's just a little project I'm working on, so hope you all enjoy. Um, I'm gonna be doing some commentary too, but not a lot. Okay, I just tapped the, just pressed the left shoulder button so I could run, and it's real important. It's real important that you be real careful by watching the trains here because you can get splattered. Yeah, you want that to happen. I've gotten splattered by the trains at least several times when I was first trying to do this walkthrough. Easy, 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 easy. Okay. Press stop to access the in-game menu. Use fast forward and rewind to cycle between the map screen, the mission screen, and the player's status screen. The map screen shows the map over Crimson City that you are in. The mission screen shows completed missions and active missions. I can read that whole thing. I got better things to do. Doing this walkthrough for you guys. For those of you that own a gizmondo with colors on it already. And I think I might do a video about, you know, putting all the games on the SD card and doing the upgraded Service Pack B. It's just a matter of getting around to it because I work at Marshall's. So anyway. So he gave me a key to the locker and he gave me a key to he just gave me a key to the locker and he gave me a police radio. Very helpful. Dang, that was quick. Really? They're gonna give me this little gun? Okay, that was better than nothing. What's this dude? You know, like a homeboy. Man, I ain't your homeboy, okay, man? I ain't your homeboy. Oh, hey, man, this your locker? This game is funny. Bullshit, you're messing with my property, bitch. Means your time's out. Really, we gonna. really, son. We gonna see about that. Oh, shoot me? Who's talking now, huh? Who's talking now, huh? Talking now, man. Talking now. That's your health pack. Oh, if you're gonna walk around with your gun out, you can at least stash it by pressing the rewind button once by tapping it. It's very helpful to know, because the police will bust you. Inside the game if you don't have your weapon gun holstered. Okay, it's very useful to know. Okay, and I'm about to finish up this mission. And we are done. And we got to climb over this little barrier to finish up the mission. This is pretty easy. I like it. I like it a lot. What is this dude? I remember this dude. Boulevard. Let's save this game. I'm gonna go save this game so I don't lose my progress. Very helpful. I'll save this game real quick. I'm gonna show you where you can save your game at too, so in case you ever wanna, you know, save your game. You can save it at the subway station. They indicate that in the game too. Go man. The game is pretty straightforward. There's no storyline. It's just a bunch of missions, um, um, you know, bundled together. I'm pretty sure you can find that more out on Wikipedia. Just Google Gizmondo colors, and it's pretty easy. This game is funny. Yes. You can save the game right there. And I just saved it. Well, guys, that's all I have time for, at least for now. I might come back later on today and do a video walkthrough for some more videos for colors for the Gizmondo. I'm glad I didn't stutter as much, but it's because I'm having speech therapy sessions with my um, girlfriend's little sister. She teaches speech therapy. She does speech therapy, and so that's all I was able to do. Anyway, that's another time. But anyway, I will see you in next video. Okay, bye bye.